So this is my therapy for the day. It's one of my favorite forms of therapy. I think that's because when I was young, then I used to spend all my time painting. Somehow we take a blank piece of canvas or something that's not very nice. It's a bit rough around the edges. And when we paint over the cracks, you get this feeling that somehow things are new, like you could start again. And so for me at the moment, then things are very challenging. My mother is coming to the end of her life, and she's been experiencing a lot of pain. And so you can hear the anxiety and the torment in her voice. And so right now I've got an hour or so to kill. What I'm doing is I'm painting this old wooden canoe. I know it's just an illusion, but it gives me the feeling like I can fix something or make something better. Part of our problem is, part of the challenge we face is that ultimately we can't fix samsara. We cannot bring an end to old age, sickness and death. We haven't got any control over the universe in that sense. The important point is that we have some amount of control over our minds. Or ideally, that's what we're trying to do, right? We're trying to develop mental stability, to remember what's meaningful and important, and to try to avoid the meaningless, and especially to avoid negativity. But it's a challenge. Because when things are really bad, it's hard to remember to apply yourself to virtue. So sometimes you've just got to get the paintbrush out, put a few strokes on that old dirty canvas, make things look fresh and new again. A new start, clean slate, more or less free of blemishes. So that's what I'm doing today. And I thought I would just share my thoughts with you. It's my form of journaling, my way of coping in the world. Right. I better get on with it. I'm gonna have to make my parents' supper soon. So I'll see you later.